Bats, known scientifically as Chiroptera, comprise an incredibly diverse and large group of mammals that thrive across the globe. As of the last comprehensive surveys, there are over 1,400 recognized species of bats, which accounts for about 20% of all mammalian species. This makes the Chiroptera order one of the most diverse groupings of mammals. Biodiversity among bat species is truly remarkable, ranging from the tiny bumblebee bat, which weighs less than a penny, to the large flying foxes that can have a wingspan of up to 1.7 meters. Bat populations are found on every continent except Antarctica, showcasing a broad adaptability to different environments. Bats occupy ecological niches in tropical rainforests, deserts, urban areas, and even in high-altitude mountain regions. Their dietary preferences are as varied as their habitats. While the majority of bat species, around 70%, feed on insects and play critical roles in pest control, many others have specialized diets. There are fruit bats, nectar-feeding bats that act as pollinators, and the less common carnivorous species that consume small vertebrates. Moreover, a small group within the Chiroptera order, namely the vampire bats found in Central and South America, have evolved to feed on blood. The diversity of bat species is matched by a variety of ecological benefits they provide. As nocturnal creatures, bats are significant for nighttime pollination and seed dispersal, essential for the survival of ecosystems. Many plants, particularly in tropic and subtropical climates, rely heavily on bats for reproduction. Their role as insectivores helps to control pest populations, potentially saving the agriculture industry billions in pest control services. Furthermore, bat guano, their droppings, serves as an effective fertilizer in many cultures. Unfortunately, these incredible animals face numerous threats, including habitat destruction, hunting, and most recently, the spread of the disease such as white nose syndrome in North American species, and threats from emerging pathogens such as coronaviruses. Conservation efforts are paramount to ensure that bat species can continue to thrive and maintain the ecological balance they help sustain. Global conservation organizations, such as the Bat Conservation International, are at the forefront of efforts to protect these vital but often misunderstood creatures. The protection and study of bats also have a direct human impact. As researchers continue to scrutinize the role of bats in disease ecology, particularly given concerns over zoonotic diseases that can be transferred from animals to humans, understanding bat populations and behaviors has never been more important. In fact, studies on bat immunology and longevity might unlock advances in human medicine. In conclusion, the world of bats is vast and full of much more varieties of species than often realized. With over 1,400 recognized species, the order Chiroptera represents an important and dynamic part of Earth's biodiversity. Their conservation remains critical not only for ecological balance, but also for the potential benefits that deeper scientific understanding of these creatures could offer to humanity.